Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mega Cloud Storage step by step. Mega lets you store, upload, download, and share your files securely from any device. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Mega website. Then sign in to your Mega account. Once you're signed in, you'll see your cloud drive. To upload a file, click the Upload button. Then select File Upload or Folder Upload. Choose the file or folder you want to upload. Next, click Open. Wait for the upload to finish. To create a new folder, click New Folder. Enter a name for the folder, then click Create. To download a file, select the file. Next, click the Download button. Choose Standard Download. To share a file or folder, right-click it. Then select Share. Choose whether you want the link to include the encryption key. Next, click Copy Link. Now send the link to anyone you want to share the file with. To delete a file, right-click the file. Then select Move to Rubbish Bin. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Mega Cloud Storage. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cloud storage tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.